Practice reading for grade 1. The cat likes to play. The cat likes to play. Now it's your turn to read. Good job! It is very hot today. It is very hot today. It's your turn. Good job! The pen was hot. The pen was hot. Your turn. I like my bike. I like my bike. It's your turn. I like to go to the library. I like to go to the library. Your turn. The birds are on the tree. The birds are on the tree. Your turn. The flower is red. The flower is red. Your turn. The mouse likes to eat cheese. The mouse likes to eat cheese. Your turn. Good job! A man has a van. A man has a van. Your turn. I have a new pen. I have a new pen. Your turn. This is my school. This is my school. Your turn. John is in the park. John is in the park. Your turn. I can play the flute. I can play the flute. Your turn. Look at the big moon. Look at the big moon. It's your turn. I have a nice gift. I have a nice gift. Your turn. Great job, kids!